Thank you for coming back. I'm your host MJ, and without further delay, let's start the video. As I told you, in this video, we will learn the tools which are required so we could start developing our first React app. First thing first, we need a code editor, so let's install VS Code. We will go on to Google and type VS Code download. Here on the first link, I will click and I'm downloading it for Windows. You can download it for Mac or Ubuntu as you want. As I click on Windows, it will start the downloading, and as you can see here, it's downloaded. Now click here, it will open installer. Click on accept and next. I want a desktop icon, so I will click here and click on next, and then I'll install. Let's click on finish and we are ready to start. Now open VS Code and select a folder to work with. I have a folder already created, React app. I'll choose that. So our VS Code installation is completed. Now let's go again to the browser and type here Node.js download. Now you might be thinking, why Node.js? The reason I'll tell you in this video later. Click on pre-built installer. Here the versions are defined. The default version is LTS. LTS means the long-term support. I'll choose that only. You can also download it for Windows or Mac. Now click on download. Once it's downloaded, click on it. It will open a setup file. You don't have to do anything here. Just click on next, next and install it. Let's back to the VS Code and check whether it's installed properly or not. I'll open the terminal by clicking Ctrl Shift and back click. You can also go to terminal, click on new terminal, but keep in mind that programmers rarely use their mouse. Now type node -- version. So as you can see here, it's showing the version. Now we are done with the installation. So let's go to create our first React app. Write npx create -react -app space first app. The first app is the name of the application. Now enter and it will automatically install all the requirement packages. You can see it, the packages are installed now. Go to the folder by cd first app and write the command npm start. Now hit enter. As you know, we installed the Node.js because we want npm to start our app. It started running localhost server and on 3000 port by default. Now we have to edit the app.js file presented in source folder. So let's go there. I'll expand this and double click on app.js and remove this line and type here hello world. Now save this and get back to the browser and our hello world application is ready. If you have any queries, please feel free to ask. Our comment section is open only and I'll definitely reply to your comment. In the next video, we will talk about this folder structure and this code here. Thank you for watching. Till then, subscribe to the channel if you like and press the bell icon to stay updated. Bye bye.